Aí, abri. Eu fiz quase meia hora de vídeo com ele, eu e o Bernardo, lá no meu quarto, ouvindo música. Não mexe no celular não. Não, deixa assim, aberto.
Assim, pena.
Aberto.
Calma.
Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. 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 That boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass on below. I got that rock and roll. That future flow. That digital spit. Next level visual shit. I got that boom, boom, boom. How to beat bang.
I like that boom, boom, pow. Them chickens jogging my style. They try to copy my swagger. I'm on that next shit now. I'm sold 3008. You sold 2008. I got that boom, boom, boom. That future boom, boom, boom. Let me get it now.
Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that. 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 Boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm on that supersonic boom. Y'all hear that spaceship zoom. When I step inside the room, them girls go ape shit. Y'all stuck on super 8 shit. That low-fi stupid 8-bit. I'm on that HD flat. This beat go boom, boom, bap. I'm a beast when you turn me on. Into the future, Cybertron. Harder, faster, better, stronger. Sexy ladies, extra longer. Cause we got to beat that bounce. We got to beat that pound. We got to beat that 808. That boom, boom in your town.
People in the place. If you wanna get down, put your hands in the air. Will I got the beat now.
I be rocking them beats.
Daí ele pegou um pano, começou a correr atrás da gente, subiu uma escada. Daí que ele desceu, ele pegou que eu tava procurando um buraco, a gente correndo atrás, escadona assim, tem que escada. Ele pulou pra acertar meu amigo, pensei que tinha sido a luz. Ele pulou, você vai ficar no poço. Ele só rolou nas cartas, pegou no pé, eu sou maluco. Bateria, eu vou fora. Manda ele vai, pô. Meu pai usava esse som no escorte.
Quê?
Meu pai usava esse som no escorte.
Você derrubou o celular aqui, ó.
Não deu bem, não. Ele tinha um escorte, ele usava no escorte.